Founded in 2003, Wenzhou Times Arts and Crafts Company Limited is an environmentally friendly enterprise of wooden products. Our company integrates research, development, and sale together. Regarding quality as our company life, we have trained a rich, experienced team in charge of technology development and sales. Excellent materials ensure quality products. We use excellent raw materials for our products, including imported beech wood and rubber wood, birch and basswood from northeast of China, MDF, PLY wood, and pine wood. The paint and ink is safe and non-toxic for kids. Our company has obtained products test report for their products. Our main customers are supermarket, big store, mail post, eBay, and Amazon. We have a strongly rich process and experience for the above customers. Our annual sales exceed 10 million USD. Our target in 5 years is to realize B2C business mode in such online shops as Amazon and cooperate with world well-known toy companies. ESA Toys, our registered trademark, is both creatively designed and eco-friendly. Every the toy meet, and more often, exceed the strictest international standards for quality and safety. Times culture, honesty as the start, simplicity as principle, directness as means, gratitude as the basis. Slogan: one times, one dream, corporate style, high efficiency, attentiveness, diligence, commitment, core value, quality first, service utmost, embrace change, show courage to admit mistakes and take responsibility, unity and assistance, joyful work, advocate life.